friends, and welcome back. Just a quick gardening video for you right now. I'm in the kitchen, just got done whipping up a winter stew. One of my favorite meals in the winter is a vegetable soup, and I put in there some garlic, onions, carrots, mushrooms, cabbage. What else did I put in there? Celery. I'm going to be talking about that. So I just wanted to give you guys a reminder. I know a lot of you guys know this already, but there are so many different food scraps that you can regrow in your garden. So don't throw these in your compost pile, but instead plant them out. Celery is one of the easiest to regrow. I've regrown celery 5 feet tall and gotten thousands of seeds off of one little celery butt like this. So all you do, if you live in a colder climate, you can put this in a little bit of water. Just bring the water level right up above where the cut is on the celery, and you'll see some sprouts start to come up and roots start to grow. You can repot it up and grow a plant out until the weather warms up and go plug it in. Or if you're in a more of a temperate climate, you should be able to just plug this right into the garden and it'll root and grow. I've got several of these sprouting right now. And then here we've got a yellow onion butt. You can see we've got some nice healthy roots on here. Again, I'm just going to plant this in the soil just right at the surface there. And we'll get like 2 or 3 new onion starts coming from this one butt. I can separate it and replant them out once they form their own little bulbs. And also this I wanted to share with you. This is part of my garlic here, and this one started sprouting. So why not just go plant this out in the garden as well? There's a lot of different vegetables you can do this with. Some of my favorites are lemongrass, although we don't do that anymore because we've got so much growing now, but you can easily just chop up the butt of a lemongrass plant and put it in the ground, and boom, you'll end up with a shrub in no time. You can do this with, one of my favorites is leeks. So definitely save the butts of vegetables. If you notice roots are growing on them, chances are you can probably grow it. Look up online for the list of all the different plants you can regrow. There's quite a few different ones. But by far, the most easiest in my opinion is the celery and the onions, of course. So just a quick tip, a reminder for you. Hope this video helps you out. I'm going to go out to the garden right now, no time to wait. It's cold, it's dark out, but I'm just going to head out there with my hory and plug these in real quick as I go dump my compost. So here is my compost bin, real conveniently located right there on the inside of the counter door. And all this is going to go in my worm bin. So nothing gets wasted around here. I highly recommend this compost bin, by the way. Out of sight, out of mind, keeps the fruit flies away, keeps the smell down. Holds quite a bit. This actually, I mean, we're plant-based around here for the most part, and this will hold a few days worth before we got it dumped usually. When I do make a big stew, it does fill up pretty quick, but just typically, banana peels and that sort of thing, it can go a couple days, 3 days without having to dump. So check out the link below if you're interested on that. But I'm going to go replant this free food. You know what? Why don't you come join me real quick? And I just take my hory out with me. And I've been starting a new patch over here. You can see there's one celery growing, and hey, we got a little visitor here, a little slug on there. Could throw him in the chicken coop. He won't last long in there. Another one right there. Plop that onion in. Slide that garlic in as well. So that's all there is to it. You probably didn't see much of it since my headlamp was running out and it's dark outside. But in about a minute, I fed my worm compost bin. I planted a few plants that I just cooked in my kitchen. Bam. Potatoes, cabbage, oh yeah, wild rice I threw in there as well. So that's going to do it for now. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a rating, and we love to hear from you. Shoot us a comment below. Helps the channel to grow. I want to hear, what is your favorite vegetable to regrow in your garden? So with that, I want to wish you all a great rest of your evening or morning, wherever you are. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.